Okay, so I'm going to make a quick video to show you how to set up cura for the Tevo Michaelangelo. And all you need to do basically is go into File, and then you're going to go and get the Open Profile, and then open the profile that I sent you by email. But basically, that's the fastest way to get this to start working right away. If that doesn't work, the other way to do it is to go into Machine and then Add New Machine, and that will allow you to go through the step-by-step thing. You're going to have to put in Other and then go down to Next, and then Custom Printer, because I don't think that Cura has it on there yet. And then what you have is a machine with width 80 by depth 80 by height 55, if I'm not mistaken. But I will double check that for you. Then you'll press finish. But anyway, let me double check that for you to make sure that that's true. Let's go into the Tevo settings here and say Machine Settings. Oh, see, I was wrong. The build plate is much bigger than that. It is 150 by 150 by 150. So make sure to check that is correct, or you're going to get funky results from your prints. And then down there, it's square based, because unlike the Delta that's round, it's square. I used the Rip Wrap Modeling Sprinter, but there's other things that you could use. But that's the one that I'm using right now, and so far it comes up with okay prints. And then if we go back into settings here, you can just copy the settings that I have up here. If you increase the value here, it'll print faster. And if you decrease the value here, it will print faster. It's up to you on how much support material you want to use, how much filament you want to use on there. I wouldn't touch the other values because this is the diameter of the filament that comes out, and you don't want that to change. It's going to mess up. This, it depends on whether you're using a complicated model that requires the supports or not, but usually I have this switched to none. Especially on the Yoda model and the Falcon model, you don't need any of this, so I would put none there. And then as far as the advanced, let me see, options on here, you can change some of the speed settings if you'd like to get to go faster, like the retraction speed, to get less stringing. You can make this go faster if the machine will permit. But I wouldn't touch the bottom layer speed, because otherwise it may not stick to the build plate. So when it says the bottom layer speed, you leave it at 10 and make sure it adheres to the surface. Then later on it will switch to this speed here, the traveling speed at 20. You can make it go faster as you notice that the thing is working out for you. But you can use that directly on the machine. You can turn the little dial for speed on there. You don't have to mess with these. Yeah, so that's about it. Hope it works out.